Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. Python provides many inbuilt functions for tuple manipulation. So, this lecture is regarding functions and methods of tuple like len function, max, mean, index, count, tuple, etc. So, let's see one by one. So, the first function is len function. It is used to return the number of elements in tuple. For example, our tuple is I have 100 videos. Now we will use len function, and in this we pass tuple name as an argument and then press the enter. So it will gives the output, it's an integer value which is 4. So this is the len function. Now the second is max function, which is used to extract out the maximum value of element from tuple. Remember that the sequence contains values of same type. If it contains values of different data type, then it will give error. That mixed type comparison is not possible. For example, max of t. In this we are using integers as well as strings. So it will give the error. Now the next example is suppose t equal to 1838. Now all are same data type. So when we find max of t, then it will gives the value as 8. Now the next is min function. The rules are same as the max function and it returns minimum value of element of the tuple. For example, min of t, then it will return 1 because 1 is the minimum value. Now next function is index function, which return the index of an element of a tuple. For example, find the index of 3. Then we write t dot index of 3. So it will give the value 2. Now the next function is count function, which returns the count of an element in a given sequence. For example, t dot count of 8 means how many times 8 will be repeated. So it gives the 2 times. Now the next is the tuple function. It's a constructor method which is used to create tuple from different type of values. For example, suppose we want to create a empty tuple. So we will write t equal to tuple and parenthesis. Now we will write t then enter. So it will create the empty tuple. Now if we want to create a tuple from a string like t equal to tuple, and in this we pass the string as name, then we write t and press the enter. So it will gives the value as name, means there are 4 elements in tuple. Now the next is create a tuple from a list. For example, t equal to tuple, and in this we pass a single list in which we have 3 elements 1, 2 and 4. Now we will write t and then enter. So it create a tuple with 3 elements 1, 2 and 4. So these are the basic inbuilt functions on tuple manipulation. Now the summary of these functions are represented in the form of notes. Thank you.